Good morning. This is another segment of our Hearth Cooking 101. I have been preparing the food to go into the different vessels we are going to use today. So, in my cast iron pot, I have broth, chicken broth, diced up chicken, and a little water. And then as that comes to a boil, that's when we will add the noodles. In the little clay pot, I have sliced apples and a little water and nutmeg, cinnamon, and Ternabo sugar. And the last thing we're going to do today is that we're going to bake a type of coffee cake. So I have all of my ingredients inside the big bowl, and this is another tool you're going to need, is a long-handled wooden spoon. So all we have to do is mix that up together until everything is nice and smooth, bumps in it. Alright, so now we're ready. We've got our baking tin oiled, and we'll put some of the batter in the pan, just like you would if you were making this at home on your modern stovetop or oven. Smooth it out. Then and yes, I'm using modern mix just to show you that anything that you cook in your stove or in your oven today, they did the same thing, only they did it over the hearth. And this is just a brown sugar, cinnamon streusel topping that we're putting in the middle of our cake. And then I put the leftover batter on top. And then we'll sprinkle the rest of it, the rest of the brown sugar cinnamon mixture on top of the cake. And if it gets all messy with the cinnamon sugar mixture, it's okay.